Hey everyone, it's Max Hegel here today from Coachman RV. Going to showcase for you one of the newest, most exciting floor plans on the marketplace, the Apex Ultra-Lite 242 Bar V. Campers today go camping for all sorts of reasons. Everyone has different camp needs and goals with their camping trips. If you want to socialize as a camping experience, you need the proper setup. You're going to want good storage, open space, and the ability to socialize with folks inside and outside the camper. That was our thought process when designing the new 242 Bar V from Apex Ultra-Lite. The big showcase feature with the Bar V is the inside-outside bar. This bifold door opens up to create conversation opportunity with the folks inside, with the folks outside. And this does a really nice job creating that social environment that campers love when they go to the big camp trips. This is a very welcoming setup that allows extra storage, outside entertainment, seating, good bar support for serving food, anything you're gonna need. Now you'll notice that this is an inside-outside area, but we still are going to be able to shut things off with a screen and with a shade that come down and lock into place, keeping bugs out, keeping anything we want, and still getting those nice views and those wonderful breezes coming through. The bar, inside and outside, is just one of the many awesome features in this new 242 Bar V. The next section of the Bar V is the outside kitchen. We have countertop space, fully plumbed sink, nice large dorm reefer here. We're also including our cast iron griddle right out here, conveniently located for food, snacks, anything you're gonna want within that service area. This is a great way to host that party that I was just talking about, because now we're talking food and drinks, water access for cleanup, plenty of lighting, outlets, all the things you're gonna need for that fun party on the outside. Once we step inside, you'll really see the functionality on this and how it's gonna be so much fun having family and friends over to the camper. Once we step inside the 242 Bar V, you can see that we have this big, large, open countertop space, great for seating. It's really our dining area. This is dinette height. These are standard chairs to sit in, a lot more like home, sitting down at the table for dinner with friends and family. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is everything that you're getting with it. You are getting with this trailer 3 refrigerators, 2 televisions, and this countertop ice maker. Everything you're gonna need for the entertainment. The inside beverage cooler, which I find to be very handy, easy access, you can see what you've got in stock and it looks great. And lastly, as I said, this ice maker here. We're doing bullet ice on the countertop, easy access, easy drainage, really easy to maintain. The living space of the Bar V is nice and wide open. I'm sitting here in one of our optional theater seats, which is great to sit back, kick back, relax, and enjoy the game, but we can also get you a trifold sofa in here that folds out for extended sleeping for any guests that maybe overstay their welcome. As we go into the living area though, I love that there's all this floor space here. Open floor space is one of the most sought after things in the RV market today, and the 242 Bar V does a great job giving you that sought after floor space. Little extra storage here, our direct view entertainment as I mentioned earlier, a wonderful living room for any camping trip. The kitchen setup inside the 242 Bar V has to be ideal for any camp situation. Whether it's just you and the spouse or the whole party like we talked about, we need to be able to accommodate every meal for the trip. That's why we're going to be including the nice 12-volt refrigerator here. That's going to be able to stay cold even while you're driving down the road and has a nice freezer inside. We're including the microwave, the overhead area here for the fan, which goes over the top of our cooktop. This is a glass cooktop. My favorite feature in the kitchen though is the included air fryer. This is not just an oven, this is also an air fryer. A lot easier than having to rely on the old school ways of cooking. Also, the deep farm bowl sink. We talked about having the party and having social people over. That means dishes. So if you're gonna wash dishes, you're gonna do food prep, having the nice deep farm bowl sink here is really nice because it's a real sink. Once again, just like home. We also talk about countertop space. We are including the countertop extension standard on every Bar V that goes out, as well as banks of drawers, open cabinetry below and above, and everything you're gonna need for your perfect kitchen experience on the camping trip. Every single Bar V is gonna come standard with a mounted wireless Bluetooth speaker, conveniently located right here on this end panel. The nice thing about that Bluetooth speaker, it's on a charger. Your solar panel is charging up this Bluetooth speaker, so you should never lose the fun, never lose the music when camping in a Bar V. The back end of the 242 Bar V is our awesome open spacious bathroom, and it's going to include glass door stand-up shower, sink and vanity with real medicine cabinet, not just a mirror on the wall. We're also going to do all over some of our controls back here, like our tankless hot water heater. That's on-demand hot water heater in the Bar V, and the control for it is located conveniently here in your bathroom. Now, my favorite thing about the bathroom though, we have a huge cabinet in here. This cabinet goes all the way to the exterior wall. It's huge, it's deep, plenty for blankets, linens, towels, beach goodies, party goodies, anything you're going to want inside this massive bathroom cabinet. The front bedroom of the 242 Bar V has the standard 60 by 80 residential queen bed, which is really nice. We do have the open nightstands. Also obviously have wardrobes in here with mirrors, overhead cabinet space. We can option a second AC in this unit, which would be placed right above the bed for direct dump cold air coming on those hot nights. But the best thing about this front bedroom is the underbed storage. Now, Apex and Coachman really have revolutionized underbed storage with our super bed storage in the last few years. This year we've modified it to now open up the pass-through completely while still including extra storage under the bed. The bed lifts up very easily on struts, as you can see. I have drawers on each side. I have shoe storage closer to the campsite, as well as even a mat, which is a great place to sit down to change shoes and socks. We really want you to be able to use your bedroom as your bedroom. You can get dressed in here, you can move around, and having this bed be able to go up allows for more open space and better preparation for your day. Couple items to touch on before we head back outside. Dual layer Asdel. Our walls are constructed with Asdel on both sides of the walls now, which leads to better temperature control and that peace of mind you want keeping the water on the outside. Another thing to mention is our laminated roof. Framed in aluminum and laminated together, this roof is solid, fully walkable with that Dicor Crossflex membrane going across the top. Wonderful protection against the elements. We also are including standard heated enclosed underbelly and a 52-gallon freshwater tank. That 52 gallons of fresh water is going to be awesome no matter where you're going in the country. Let's go outside now and check out some more awesome features of the 242. Now that we're back outside on the 242, a couple of key features that I want to mention. One of them that I love is the slam latch baggage door. No more worried about whether or not you're latched at the end of the trip. Close that bad boy, everything's locked up, ready to go, you can take off. One of our cool new things that we've done this year is we are giving you a full pass-through. No more block cutting in, we've got the full pass-through all the way inside, and this pass-through's got a motion sensor light, also the light switch for your front cap lights, and our solar controller. Let's talk solar controller for just a second. This trailer comes standard with one 200-watt solar panel. It also includes a 30-amp controller. The nice thing about this rich solar controller, you can actually set the type of battery that you're charging on your charge controller. This is a unique new feature that's going to really help optimize your solar charging and make sure that you're going to be able to stay camping as long as you need to. Thank you so much for being a part of this walkthrough of the 242 Bar V. We look forward to seeing you soon.